Everyone tells you to budget. You hear it from your parents, from articles, from well-meaning friends. You need a budget. Stick to a budget. Live on a budget. It sounds restrictive, doesn't it? Like a diet. Like you have to track every single coffee and penalty for every treat. For many of us, the word budget feels like the opposite of freedom. It feels like a cage. I'm Angus Morton, and I'm here to help us both understand our finances better and grow together. No spreadsheets that take hours, no guilt trips, just a framework that actually fits how we live. What if I told you the most popular budgeting method isn't about restriction? It was designed by a US senator to help ordinary people manage their money without obsessing over it. It only requires splitting your income into 3 simple buckets. In personal finance today, this is called the 50-30-20 rule. 50%, 30%, 20%. That's it. Not a complex algorithm, not an envelope system, just 3 numbers, simple, clear, and effective. 50% covers your needs: rent, bills, groceries. For example, your weekly shop, energy bills, transport, and essentials. 30% is for your wants: takeaways, Netflix, weekend trips, that occasional coffee out, guilt-free fun. 20% is for your future: savings, investments, paying down debt, quietly building your first financial fortress. The 50-30-20 rule removes guilt, removes stress, and gives you clarity and permission. You know where your money is going, and you can enjoy it responsibly. Think of it this way. Without a plan, your brain gets exhausted tracking every single penny. You swing between overspending and strict austerity. You feel trapped. With this rule, the system works for you, not against you. You stop guessing where your paycheck went. You see immediately if your needs are too high. Maybe your rent is large, or bills could be cheaper. You see if your wants are eating into your future. It's not a cage anymore. It's a mirror that helps you adjust and grow quietly over time. And here's the secret. That 20% for your future, it's not just a number. It's the engine that turns your income into your first silent employee, even while you sleep. Even setting aside a small amount each month quietly grows into something meaningful over time. This is the moment chaos turns into clarity, guilt becomes permission, spending becomes something you control rather than something that happens to you. Forget complicated spreadsheets for now. Focus on the 3 buckets. That's when you stop guessing and start quietly directing where your money goes. Did you know about the 50-30-20 rule? Do you like it? Have you tried it? Has it worked for you to save money? Do you have another method to save that you want to share with us? Let me know in the comments. If you want to build that 20% into a real fortress and take control of your money, hit subscribe. Here we talk pounds, pence, and the small lessons that quietly add up. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.